So another palm that does particularly well here in Central Texas is Livistona chinensis. So this is the Chinese fan palm. In fact, in this pot, you can see these are seed grown, and there's actually 2 of them growing in this pot. These do particularly well. They will tolerate our Texas summers and heat pretty well, and are fairly cold tolerant. I've seen these grown in and around Austin area, and have survived unprotected through the winters. So particularly good palm, small, doesn't get too big, but it produces these big, beautiful, kind of fan style palms, leaves. So this one looks particularly happy. In fact, putting up a new shoot there. So there's one right there. If I pan over, here's another one growing. And if I walk over, or kind of maybe I'll zoom over, you can see that we've actually got some of these growing. There's one growing in ground right there next to our fountain. So that's Livistona chinensis, the Chinese fan palm. It's another really good option if you're looking for a cold hardy palm for your Central Texas gardens.